Okay, so we went from having the citizens making the laws to then having tyrants as leaders with absolute authority and really no regard for the people. So now we see another change. And this is what we call the transition. So by 500 BC, most city-states became oligarchies or democracies. So let's define those two terms. These are going to be good ones to highlight and mark in your text because these are big words, really good words to know. An oligarchy is where a few people hold power. So they would have maybe a council of men making power, holding power and making the laws. And you would have a democracy where all the citizens share in running the government. So now two of the main city-states that they had were Sparta and Athens. So Sparta was an oligarchy, so it had a group of men that were making the laws, the rules. And Athens was a democracy where every citizen had a right to vote and had a say in what the laws were. They became two of the most powerful governments in Greece. And we're going to be looking at these two in more detail next week when we're looking at the difference between Sparta and Athens, because there are some huge differences, not only their government, but also their military and just their thinking overall. They were complete polar opposites in how they thought. So we're going to be looking at that later.